how to get student discount on Adobe Creative Cloud. First things first is make sure you do have necessary requirements or documents for you to be able to get the student discount. Just pull up your preferred browser and then go to Creative, Adobe Creative Cloud Students. Hit enter and then click on the first link. Now you'll be brought to the Adobe page. So instead of paying $59.99, you should only be paying around $99.99 for getting the student's discount. So you could actually save 66% on Creative Cloud all apps. So to purchase this, just simply click on Buy Now. Now you will be routed to Adobe Checkout. Now you will be chosen a specific plan for the subscription. Now once you have chosen one, just click on Continue. By here, you wanted to select what specific offers you can do, and after that, you'll be routed to the payment method in which you'll needing to input your credit card information. So that's how you get student discount on Adobe Creative Cloud.